Come test drive the 2020 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and competent handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, retractable cargo cover, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, security system. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.